What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to review the TECKIN smart plug. So TECKIN was nice enough to send over some smart plugs for me. This video was not sponsored, but they just sent it over to me to review. Let's open it. So this is the fourth video of our smart home series, and there will be more coming, so stay tuned and like and subscribe so you won't miss any smart home videos. Okay, so here it is. Comes in a small packaging. Now let's open it up. Okay, so it is very well packaged. Inside here you got some information. So let's put that here. Let's take this out. Oh, it's a really nice smart plug actually. As you can see, it's like grayish white. It's like a milk white, but like more to the grayish side. It's pretty nice actually. This is their newest version, so this is probably the 2020 version. Let's see what else is in the box. You got some instruction manuals in the box. All right. You don't need this because I know how to work it. Well, so on the box, that is all. So before we test these things out, let's go and do a durability test.
Have a time.
So here is my razor blade. I am going to cut into it and see what happens. So as you can see, it got pretty scuffed up because the material is plastic, which is a good thing because plastic doesn't conduct electricity, so you won't get electrocuted, but it is plastic. And the front is also plastic, and it also comes off, but you don't really see it because it's gray, so you don't really see the scratches, but if you look closer, you can actually see the scratches. So, the side, you got a button for reset. The button is white. And at the top there is a TECKIN logo, and it's your standard North American plugs. Now let's plug it in and test it out. Alright, now let's give it a name. Let's name it test plug. And let's test it out. It's loading. Alright. Oh, that's your pretty fast connection. Okay, so that's your on and off switch. You can also go to schedules and random timing, cycling timing, fixed timing. You can go to timer, and it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. You can create a custom time that works too. So now let's go back, and you got cameras. I don't have that, but maybe one day if you look at the video, I will have cameras. So that's all for the app. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple. The design of these plugs are actually pretty nice. It's very modern, and it's very just simple. It's not like big or anything. It's small, looks good. It's a small logo. The only major problem is that since the plug is round, and which means that you can't plug two smart plugs in the same socket slot, but like you could plug in a non-smart plug, but just so you guys know, you cannot plug in two in the exact same socket. Alright guys, that's it in this video. Be sure to subscribe and also turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. And just so you guys know, this video is in no way sponsored. TECKIN just sent me these all the random. I am not sponsored. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.